This is Travis Walker from northforge3d.com. We're going to do a little mini series of videos on for people who want to build their own printer frames. When you look at the documentation for a printer like the Trident, it does not show dimensions. You can't tell how long something is, where to drill the holes, but they give you this information. You just need to know where to find it. So we head over to vorondesign.com. We pick the Trident. We're going to pick a standard build volume for this one. Let's just pick direct feed, blind joints, 300mm size, and hit next, and then you just hit show. Scroll down to the place where you find the frame rails, and all of the information is right here. They're giving you Misumi part numbers, but you have your length, you have what they want you to do. This is blind corners both ways on both ends. This is tapped both sides, so you have all of the information that you need to cut, drill, and thread the frame just from these part numbers. And we're going to do some other videos where we actually cut the frame, drill the frame, teach you how to build a frame yourself. In general, if you can buy a frame, you should probably do that. It's easier. You have less chance to make a mistake. But for this build, we're making a little bit different in size. So we're going to cut the frame, drill the frame, thread the frame. We're going to tap the holes. We're going to do all of that stuff, and I'm going to show you how to do that too.